In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for ticketing, following a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Clickup is a powerful project management tool that offers an array of features to streamline workflow and enhance productivity. Today we'll focus specifically on utilizing it for ticketing purposes. Whether you're handling customer support queries or internal tickets, this guide will help you set up everything efficiently. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page. Clickup offers various sign-in options, but for today we'll use Google credentials for quick and seamless access. Proceed by clicking on the Sign In with Google button. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the appropriate one associated with your Clickup workspace. Once inside your workspace, look out for the three dots icon, which often leads to additional settings and options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to the Templates section. Templates in Clickup are pre-designed setups that can save you tons of time when getting new projects off the ground, and in this case, they're perfect for ticketing systems. Once in the Templates section, you'll want to click on Browse Templates. This step will show you a variety of available templates suited to different needs. In the search bar, type ticket, and then from the search results, select the Help Desk Ticket template. It's a robust template specifically designed to manage support tickets effectively within Clickup. With the appropriate template chosen, it's time to implement it. Click on the Use Template button to apply it to your workspace. At this point, you might want to rename the template to something intuitive that fits your organization's naming conventions. Once you've entered a suitable name, click Use Template again to finalize the setup. After creating your ticketing setup, you can locate the newly applied template in your interface. Click on it to open and view the details. This is the moment where you can start tailoring the system to fit the unique needs of your team. Each task within the template can be customized further, so feel free to adjust and edit any of the tasks according to your current requirements. And there you have it, your Clickup workspace is now configured to effectively manage ticketing. This setup will not only help you track and resolve issues, but also keep your team organized and informed. Remember, the key to getting the most out of tools like Clickup lies in customization, so don't hesitate to tweak your setup as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy ticketing with Clickup.